best. Do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like you. Hey guys, as you can tell by the title, today we're gonna organize my new skincare cabinet. I'm so excited. It's so cute. I am so excited to have all my skincare in just one area and just be able to see it and use them more often. So let's get into the video. So this is my new skincare cabinet. This is the inside. It has 2 shelves and it has a mirrored back, which I really love. I do plan on getting one more shelf for this cabinet because you can purchase the shelves separately online. For now, I'm gonna just organize my skincare into this cabinet. I have a ton of skincare products in here. So I just finished organizing my entire cabinet. I can definitely use another shelf, so I'm definitely going to go online and purchase another shelf because I do have more products to add in. But I put everything that I actually do use and things that I really want to start using more often. So I'll show you guys shelf by shelf what's in this cabinet, and yeah, let's get into it. So on the top shelf, I have all my face serums and face treatments. So I'll go through some of them really quickly with you guys. The first product is a hyaluronic acid, which I actually purchased from Jackie Ina's esthetician, and it's really good. Then we have my SkinCeuticals CE Ferlic, and this is a vitamin C serum, which is also really good and amazing. Then I have this discoloration defense. This I got more recently in the past couple months and I've been trying it out, so I'll let you guys know in about a few months if I do love it. Then I have my Omoravisca acid fix, and this stuff is actually really good. So I've been using it for about a month and a half now and I do see some changes in my skin, so I do think this is really good, but I'll give you guys more detailed update once I've been using it for about 3 months, I think. Then I have my Shani Darden Retinol Reform, and this is my retinol that I currently use, and I also really love this retinol. I think these 2 products have been doing really great stuff for my skin recently. Then I have this Caudalie Vino Pure. This is a skin lightening, skin perfecting serum. I don't currently use it because I'm using this one, but this one had really great reviews on Sephora's website. This is from Sweet Chef. It's a vitamin C serum. Then we have the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Intense, and this is really good stuff. I love this. This is Dr. Dennis Gross Vitamin C Serum, and also I love this one. This is a Flawless Skin Rose Oil from Laura Mercier. This is the Mario Badescu Famous Drying Lotion. I feel like this is just something you have just to have it. Then I have the Honeymoon Glow from Pharmacy. Amazing. This A+ retinol. This is the retinol I used prior to this one, and honestly I like this one better. It's not as harsh for me. Then I have the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I have Good Genes from Sunday Riley, also amazing. This is really good as well. This is the Grown Alchemist Instant Smoothing Serum. This feels really good. It's a hyaluronic acid as well. It feels so good on your skin. This is the Murad Acne Controls Post Spot Lightening Gel. I haven't used this long enough to really have seen results, so I can't really speak much on it. Yeah, I just have it. I do need to clean that off. I have a Pixie Vitamin C Serum. I also have this Detox Serum from Grown Alchemist. I have a beauty oil from Black Radiance, which I haven't tried yet. And then I have this Sunkissed Alba and Derma E face oil, which feels and looks really good, except I have oily skin, so I tend to not use these types of products. I also want to mention that I do want to try this Dermalogica serum that they sent over, so I'm gonna add this to the front, like maybe like I'm actually gonna add it like right here, so I do try it out eventually. Down here I have all my moisturizers, which surprisingly I don't have that many. I should have more, but for some reason I don't. I think, you know what it is, I think I actually do finish my moisturizers, so I tend to throw them out, unlike serums, which take a lot longer for me to finish. I have this one from Clinique, which is really nice and moisturizing, very hydrating. This is the one I currently use from Pharmacy. It's called Daily Greens. Really good. It's a gel moisturizer. This one is from SkinCeuticals, and it's a lightweight moisturizer. It's great for the morning time because I feel like this one I think it goes really well under makeup. This is a Pro Collagen moisturizer. It's a lot thicker, so that one I tend to use at night if I do use it, as well as this Estee Lauder one. These two I actually got from Sephora's like 100 point perks, 500 point perks or something like that. But SK2 is a really great brand, so I definitely did not pass up. I got two. I actually redeemed two 500 point perks just to get this set. It actually came with their little toner as well, which I finished. This is from Peter Thomas Roth, the Beauty to Go section. I used to keep this in my gym bag, but obviously there's no gym right now. Then I have this is a tea tree oil. It's not really a moisturizer, but I didn't really have a spot for it, so I put it right here. Now over here I wanted to make this area a little pretty, so I have this tonic from Pixi. This is the retinol tonic. It's new and I have been using this actually. I think it's really good so far in terms of how it feels. In terms of how it works though, it's way too soon to tell. This is an old candle jar that I saw Annie did in her video, so my whole aesthetic in terms of this whole system I got inspired from a YouTuber that I love. Her name is Annie Jeffries. I have two jade rollers, you guys, but I cannot find either one of them, so I do need to find my jade rollers to place in here. But I also am going to be putting face shavers like these, and then I have my eye creams that are kind of in tubes in here. So this is the one I currently use from Dermalogica, but I also have this one from Kylie Skin. I also have different in here because sometimes I had purchased this a while back to help with acne that I was having. Then I have this kombucha power toner from Youth to the People. I have the Fresh Hydration Toner, which is really good. I have this BHA salicylic acid treatment. I also have this hydrated mist from Korres. And over here I have some of my sunscreens that I do love. I have a few more that I have in different purses. Currently I'm using this Ultra MD UV Clear sunscreen. I also have the Supergoop Unseen, which is so dirty, from Makeup, but it's really good. If you want something that is completely transparent, that is your guy. And then I have this one from Dermalogica, which is new. I have never used it, so maybe I'll try it out tomorrow, but it's SPF 30, so it's a lot less than these two. Down to the bottom shelf, I try to put all my face masks over here. So I have this charcoal one from the Body Shop, which is a charcoal purifying mask. I have this Element. This is not a face mask. This is like an overnight treatment though, so I kind of think of it as a mask. And then I have this Milk Makeup mask. This one is from Pura. It's a peel off, a blue mask. It looks so cool and it feels really great on your skin. I heard about this one from JD Wadey, which is like she's a YouTuber who now does a lot of skincare videos. Her skin's flawless. She's an esthetician, I think, but she recommended this a while back, like maybe a year ago, so I did pick it up and I do like it. It's really good. This is the famous baby facial from Drunk Elephant. Like, if you don't have this, do you even have a skincare collection? Maybe. Girl. I'm just kidding, but this is like one of those items you see in everyone's skincare collection. It's really good. It's tingly. It is a AHA and BHA product, so it's full of acids, gonna help give you fresh new baby skin. I do have these two masks as well from Pixi. And then over here I have micellar water. I don't use micellar water too often anymore since I do double cleanse in the shower. I also use this one from time to time from Bioderma. In here I put all my little lip treatments and like lip masks. So these are the ones I could find because I have so many of these. This is one of my favorites from Tatcha. It's really good and nice and moisturizing. This one is from Laneige. This is definitely one of the first ones I got in the most recent years, and it's really good. I also have this one from Smith's, and Smith's is one of the first brands I think I ever purchased these sets of products from back when I used to shop at Urban Outfitters in high school. And yeah, it's really good, very moisturizing. This guy is definitely one of my new favorites. It is amazing. I love the formula. The formula just really works for me, and I cannot get enough of this stuff. Then I have this one. I do have this in a few flavors or scents or whatever you want to call it, but this is the one I found, so I put it in here for now, and I use this when I'm going out and I want my lips to look like nice and glossy. I also have one from another brand called Kopari, which is really good, so I need to find that one so I could put it in here. I have 3 face washes over here. The one I use at night is in the shower because I wash my face in the shower, but in the morning I use this La Roche Posay one with 2% salicylic acid. So this one is really good. I love and highly recommend this, and it's drugstore-ish, so it's really affordable for such a great product. This is a Tatcha Deep Cleanser. I'm not sure why this bottle is so bent up like this, but it's also really good. This one is from Mary Badescu. It's an enzyme cleansing gel, and I love it, but I don't think it really benefits me as much as something like this would, or the one that I use at night. Over here I have some body care sunscreen oils in like shimmer sprays, which I love these things. This one is from Estee Lauder, the Bronze Goddess, one of my favorites. I love using this, and it smells amazing. This one back here is from Patrick Ta, also smells amazing. I love this. Actually, these all smell pretty good. This one is from Supergoop and also smells amazing. Back here is the Fenty Beauty one. This is a newer sunscreen from Coppertone with SPF 50, but it also has some really nice shimmer in there. This is another sunscreen that I like to use. It has 100+ SPF, and I heard about this from JLo's makeup artist. I'm gonna try putting this one in here. I successfully did it, so I wanted to put this one in here as well. It makes your body glow so nicely. So this is the entire cabinet. I love it. This makes me so happy. I love skincare. This looks amazing. I just found my jade ruler, so I'm gonna add it in here. I also located my other sunscreens. So this is another one from Supergoop that I love. This is my one from Ren Skincare. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got some tips for organizing your skincare, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.